For those of you that are not members of our and haven't invested in our cycle analysis workshop, you missed, I think, a great event that we did yesterday. And for those of you that have, if you haven't seen it yet, you will be able to see the replay of that event, which we did some great teaching and answered some questions in there. So watch for that notice that is available to you. All right, so we'll start out looking at light crude. Of course, we do cycle analysis with our three components of our analysis being cycle analysis, the momentum analysis, and also what we call swing high, swing low analysis, where we put in resistance and projections based on the Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci extensions, and the key points in cycles where the peaks and valleys were made, which is quite different, I think, than how a lot of other analysts use it, because they don't usually have those points identified, though they get close to those often because they're obvious for their style. But our style, we really identify those cycle peaks and troughs, and that's how we do that work. So take a look here at the energies. Light crude is proving that resistance, as you can see. There is a similarity in this chart actually to Bitcoin. Not that I'm calling for a total collapse in energy, but just that when you have this cycle that peaks and then comes down very sharply, and then you flag, as you can see going on right over here in resistance, the odds are very high that you're going to take out that cycle support and come down to some level lower. This actually is projecting down into the high 80s for light crude now into the late July or August period, in between these two bottom cycle low timing lines right there, and that's where we would expect that bottom to come in. So yes, there's still time for attempted rallies. We thought it could get up to 116. Actually, that resistance right there was where it was 111 where it hit. And it's really struggling right now to get any upside traction after that massive move. And this is even with the EU sanctions that are coming, and this is showing you that the market has really had too big of a move and has a pretty good consolidation going on. Momentum negative, as you can see right in there, as the reversal scout turned down right over here, and that's showing you that this is this consolidation area going on. If this were to get above 116 and the momentum would turn positive, that would change the picture, but that is not likely. Here you could see all of this sideways action going on and this kind of pennant formation that's forming in there. This support line right over here on the cycle is down at around 93. And you can see the 78.6 here at 96. It's really resisting going down to that level right now. So again, this more looks like a range that it's going to trade in, 96 to about 111 for a while before it then gets into a little riskier time period where it could get under 90. So overall, the light crude market not looking like it has a lot of upside, but we would still say range bound makes the most sense.